Hi guys, how are you? Well, I'm so happy you're here today because Mirabelle wants a baby sister or a baby brother, and I got her a bunch of babies. All of these come with 2 or 3 babies, and I am so happy. Look how cute they are. I'm so happy to unbox them with her and her to have finally a baby sister or baby brother. And look at, oh no! This one is trying to break through. How did she do that? Oh boy, let's unbox her. What are we waiting for? All right, let's unbox them. Should we start with the baby that's trying to jump out? La-da-da. Hey, how are you, Asha? Oh, Mirabelle, you came just in time. Oh, why? What's going on? Look at all these babies. Wow, I love babies. I know. That's why I got them all for you. Whoa, so many babies. How am I going to take care of them? I'll help you. Don't worry. But first, let's start with this baby because she's trying to jump out of the box. Wow, look at this. Oh, definitely. Yes, guys, let's start with this. So let's see, what does it come with, or what are we supposed to do? So first we're going to put some water on the baby's blanket. It looks like this baby broke the blanket. And then we are going to reveal if we have 2 or 3 babies. Baby bundle surprise. Let's get going. How many babies do you think we have? Oh, how cute. This looks like a cute little basket. Okay, guys. Oh, wow. We're getting all goodies. Okay, let's see. Now we have some tape. Excellent. So now, guys, we're going to take this off and look at this baby. She's trying to break through. All right, we're going to put some water and let's see what happens. Woo! All right, guys, it looks like the blanket just melted. And here is our baby. But our baby's eyes are closed. So let's wipe them with a paper towel and see her beautiful eyes. Wee! Look at this. How cute is that? She has big black eyes. Our baby is adorable. And now it's time to see if she came with a brother or sister or both. All right, we're gonna open this. And let's see. Oh, just another baby sister. How adorable is this? Wow, look at this, guys. They are so cute. So it looks like our babies are from the 50s because they have the poodle on their diaper and the headband. So cute. So let's put them right in here and let's see, who do we have? Oh, it looks like we have Swing and her little sister. How adorable, Swing and her little sister. All right, let's put her on the side. And let's open the next one and see what we have. How many babies do you guys think we'll have? Oh, it looks like Mirabelle loves her baby, guys. So let's see how many babies we'll get in this one. So let's see, guys. Let's put some water and let's watch it melt away. All right, now that her blanket melted away, let's wipe her eyes. Wow, she's so cute. She is absolutely adorable. And look at her hair. Wow, she has pink, yellow, and blue hair. Wow, you are so pretty, baby. And I love her pink diaper too. So adorable. Hey, tell me, where are my brothers and sisters? Oh, you have a brother and a sister? So let's see, guys. Let's take this away. Oh, wow, how cute is this? It's not a brother and a sister, it's just a sister and a tiny kitty cat. How cute is this? All right, let's take them out. Wow, so adorable. So let's put them all in their bowl and let's see who they are, guys. What's their names? So it looks like we have little Bonbon baby sis, and Bonbon kitty. How adorable, guys. Let's see our last ball. Let's see what do we have inside here. I'm so excited. Let's remove the blanket. Now let's pour some water. Wee, wee. And it's gonna melt. Wee, melts away. How cute is that? Oh, and I think we got another cute pink baby. I think we got all baby girls today. Oh, how cute, guys. Look at her beautiful violet eyes. Wow, she is so pretty. Wow, guys. This baby is definitely a fashionista. She's doing her hair. So cute. Wow, Mirabelle, you got 2 babies and you look so happy. So let's see what is our little sister coming with. Let's take her out. Oh, baby, don't fall down. Oh, I think she is falling down because her hair is too heavy. All right, and now I'm gonna take this out. Oh, wow, finally, guys, we have a little brother. And how adorable is this? We have a little sister and a little brother. How cute. I love their tiny little tongues sticking out. Do you see it? Their tongue is sticking out. So cute. Oh, wow. So adorable. This is so cute. We finally got a little brother. And they all have the same violet eyes. So cute. And let's see who they are, guys. So it looks like we got a little baby doll brother, and baby doll sister. How adorable, guys. Wow, Mirabelle, it looks like you're gonna be really busy. Yes, I am. Taking care of all these babies is gonna be challenging. Would you help? Of course I will. All right, take these babies first. Let's feed them. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I'll see you later. I gotta feed the babies. Bye.